So hello there. We'll be making batch file from varying difficulties. So we will be starting from beginner difficulties, such as you could be like doing batch commands with math variables. This is just like a looping variable of arithmetic series. So it will just like limits the arithmetic series to not be below like the 32-bit computer integer limit. And eventually you will progress past to a point that you'll be able to do an antivirus like this. Yeah. So you'll be able to complete an antivirus like this, which utilize this benchmarking. Yeah, utilize this benchmarking and utilize MD5. Do you know the algorithm of MD5? And it will just compare like the text in output. But you don't need to know that right now. The first thing that you need to know is probably like how to use the hello world test. So in this introduction video, I'm gonna be telling you all about hello world. So we're gonna utilize this. So this is the command prompt. The command prompt is a very useful tool in batch programming. It is used to debug many various programs that we create, and if you're gonna test some script, you can do using command prompt too. But don't forget to run an administrator. Yeah. So let's start by typing echo. So this is a normal program, and hello world is like the most greatest word in the world in the words of programming. So it would just output hello world. That's it. Yeah. If you say uh hello, now it would just like output this echo dot. It would just output a blank line. So if you say echo hello world and you say that, just go back to the line and just create echo dot and like this, it will just outputs a blank line. So it's a more of an aesthetic part to this kind of command. So if you want to remove all these unnecessary things, this part, the runtime, and these things, you can do this. So echo off and just clear the screen, and you just like do echo hello world. No. So if you do a slash null, they won't be anything. So it just like returns null. Okay. You can just like do a new command. So you do cls first, right? And you just do like echo hello world, and it should return hello world. Yeah. This is more like a chatty response. .exe, and you just pipe another command. So piping using this command, and you just say echo off and do a cls and do our echo hello world like that. So did you see that? Do you see that? I think you did see that, right? Guess that doesn't work. Usually piping commands, it works with this, but if you are like complicated with yourself, or like you don't know any commands, you can use this. So for example, like for various list of programs, programmable commands, you can use this, which just explains a lot of common programs commands. Like for instance, COS is just like clear the screen, and CD is just navigating the directory. Go to is just going to different part of the program, like that. So there will be nothing if you want to re-enable the various parts of the program. Just use this equal on. It's just like on and off, for example, on and off. Yeah. Uh, for example, if you like you look at the start, like they will be explaining a lot of stuff here. So yeah, just like that. I guess that's your first Hello World program. It is 0 episode because I haven't teach you about the color and stuff like piping commands into a single file yet. That is an introductory course, and that should be it for the first episode named 0. So this episode will be 0. Yeah.